Hi, so we are at the Walensee on the...
Put up higher and
No,
it down towards
you're in it!
Yeah, but that's better.
We're walking along the bank of the Walensee, and it leads to a little town, a couple little towns and some waterfalls, so we're pretty excited to go see all the cool waterfalls, and you can see also across the lake.
We started in a town called Weesen. We're technically in the town of Amden, but you have to go through Weesen and just stay along the lakeside. Don't actually follow signs for the town. I'll put a map up. Kiddo, he took his sunglasses off.
And he doesn't have any sunscreen on.
Yeah.
Whoops!
After you pass through the caves and the tunnels, you'll reach a fork. If you go to the right, you'll hit a park and some campgrounds and stuff, and the ferry spot where you can catch the ferry on the lake. Or you can go left and follow the road all the way to the waterfall. The right, you can also, it meets back up with the main road, but you just have to walk through some fields with cows.
So we're at the ferry stop, and there's a parking lot, and you can drive all the way up here. It's just kind of tricky to drive.
You're only allowed to drive 5 minutes out of every half hour.
Yeah.
Up till this point, you can take a stroller pretty easy, but then after the road ends, obviously, it gets a little, well, when you're driving from Zurich down to eastern Switzerland or Graubünden, traditionally you drive past this lake, but it's usually on the other side of the lake, not where we're standing. I don't know what I was thinking wearing long sleeves today, but it's warm.
I'm fine.
It's called the Ringquellenfalle. So,
Is that what it said?
Ring
Ring?
Spring Falls.
Yeah.
If you translate it literally.
There were two waterfalls. There was...
You can see it in the video.
Yeah, you can see it in the video. But there was one that was just kind of flowing off on the side of the mountain, and then the other one was going through the mountain, and then comes out right there, and just gushing out. It's pretty crazy to think that all that water is just going
Through the mountain.
through.